Welcome to the Progressus Advanced Projects video on installing and using the Outlook integration to Progressus for Timecard Entry. The Progressus Advanced Projects add-in for Outlook lets you update timesheets in Progressus Advanced Projects directly within Outlook by using either emails or calendar entries with pre-filled data from projects and project task cards. You can also see Outlook calendars for resources to help you with workload and availability bookings. The add-in should be automatically available to you in Extension Management when you install Progressus Advanced Projects. You'll use the Outlook Integration Setup page to provide the credentials necessary to connect Outlook with your Business Central database. An Outlook Integration for Progressus manifest file is downloaded from Progressus Advanced Projects and imported into Outlook. For details, let's look at a demo of the process from start to finish. To start the integration process, search for Outlook Integration and select the related link. Exit from this page and navigate to the Exchange Accounts page. For this admin user, there needs to be a resource code assigned to that user. For this admin user, you'll need to assign a resource code, and then select the Resource Administrator checkbox. Next, from the ribbon, select Actions, Sync Calendar from Exchange. In the Sync Calendar from Exchange page, add the resource number assigned to the admin username, selected in the previous page. For username, select the admin username used in the previous page, and click OK. The Exchange account for admin is updated, and the last sync field is updated by the system. Note also that the Exchange Integration Active checkbox is selected. Next, let's open the Outlook add-in. Select Outlook Integration for Progressus, and then from the menu, select Download Add-in. The next step is to open this file in Outlook. For this demonstration, we're going to do it in the cloud, the OA version of Outlook, but you can also do it in the Outlook client. To upload the Outlook integration file we just downloaded from Business Central, click Settings in Outlook, and then select View All Outlook Settings from the bottom right corner of the page. Select Customize Actions. Now, select the checkbox for Get Add-ins to display the Get Add-ins options on any new message. Then, under the Toolbar settings, select Get Add-ins again, so this displays on the toolbar. Now that the Get Add-ins option is enabled, open a message in Outlook, the web version here, and you'll be able to see the Get Add-ins option. If you click to add a new email, you'll also see the Get Add-ins icon. Click the Get Add-ins action and then click My Add-ins. At the bottom middle of the page, select Add a Custom Add-in, and then select Add from File. Navigate to the Downloads folder and select the Outlook Integration for Progressus file, then click Open. Click Install to the message. Note that at the bottom of the page, you'll now see the Business Central add-in, and it says Added. Close this page, and now let's look at adding time through a calendar event or an email. Open a new email or calendar event. Click the ellipse on the far right side of the email near the date and time. From the menu that displays, select Business Central. Log into Business Central with the user credentials that we entered previously. The Business Central Outlook add-in opens. Select a project to enter time against. Enter a project task code to enter time against. Enter a description of the work performed and the quantity of hours worked. When you're done, you shouldn't have to do anything. It will automatically update from Outlook to Business Central. If you want to change which company you're recording time against, you can click the More Options ellipse at the top right, then click Change Company. Select a different company from the list of allowed companies. Finally, to verify that the entries we made were entered in Business Central, we'll go back to Business Central and look at the entries for the resource SALEXWK. Select Actions, Time, Timesheet Entry. The date that was used for the time entry was 8/1/22. Opening the timesheet, we can see the 4 hours that were recorded using the Outlook Time Entry add-in for Progressus Advanced Projects. Thanks for viewing this video on installing the Outlook Integration for Progressus Advanced Projects add-in. For more information on this topic, please see the link included here.